Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Marco, and basically I'm from SafeChats. How many of you are familiar with internet messaging? Come on. Almost everybody. That is the size of the market, and of course it dispels a much darker problem. The problem is $135 billion a year, costing the cloud computing industry just in America alone, according to the New York Times in 2014. So what we are doing is an ultra secure, and I mean it, really safe platform for communications across the board. We are already live on the Android store, on the Play Store, as well as Windows native app. We have installations in 40 countries, translations to 10 major languages, including Espanol and Hawaiian. Okay, and on top of that, basically, each of our users uses it for 30 minutes. Now, how safe is safe? 2,048 key length. Our competitors are 1,024 individual session keys for each message. And on top of that, basically, all of this runs through OTR3. It can't be cracked by NSA, according to Edward Snowden. Okay? And one other thing that you actually have to pay attention to, that's true, by the way, we have a privacy layer right on top of it. Self-destructing text, not so funny anymore, right? Obfuscation, identity impersonation, totally solved by us as well. And don't forget, basically, how we're going to push this to the market. We want to go not laterally, because if I go laterally, people go, I'm already using WhatsApp, I'm not going to use SafeChats. We're going to go vertically down. Business owners can make decisions on infrastructure, right? That's right. And the thing is that our best friends are going to be telcos. That's what we want. Okay, 3 business models. One is premium SaaS for all of your teamwork and collaborative functions. Peer-to-peer payment transaction fees, that's going to scale. Okay, and last but not least, API framework licensing. 3 of the finalists in our batch have already cooperated with us to do the API. Framework licensing, basically, we can even white label it for other people, and on top of that, we can even do it on your server, not ours as well. Now, the thing is that we have an unfair advantage. We're already working in an in-principle agreement with a major telco in Singapore, and we also have another Asian major telco which wants to white label with us already. Now, the thing is that this is what all the competitors are doing. Teamwork, okay, security, they're not well known in our key markets. And the fact is that peer-to-peer payments, we can do all of this, we're going to make all of them irrelevant. That's the idea. Okay, this is the team, basically CTO over there, veteran software programmer, okay, veteran business guru. I myself, I have a military intelligence background and I speak multiple languages, okay, and this is not working. Okay, now on top of that, basically we have achieved something very impressive. We've actually been in the #1 security conference in the world. We were a finalist. And don't forget, basically, there are 50 medium-sized companies already using SafeChats, okay? Our users are sticky, 10 times volume since we started 6 months ago. Contact me on SafeChats. We want to stand for freedom of speech. We want to stand for net neutrality. And with SafeChats, nobody needs to know.